Good morning, class. Today is a very special day.
Good morning, Miss Sarah. We are ready to learn.
I have your math tests right here in my hand.
I am so nervous. Math is really hard for me. Do not worry, Leo. You studied very hard this week.
You all did a fantastic job on this difficult test.
My hands are shaking. I really want a good grade.
Here is your test, Leo. You should be very proud.
Oh my goodness! I got an A on my test!
Wow, good job. Awesome!
Wow, that is amazing, Leo. You are so smart today. Thanks, Chloe.
Excellent work, Leo. I know you practiced every single night.
Thank you so much, Miss Sarah. I am so happy. Let's give Leo a big round of applause right now. Yes. All right. Yay! Great job, Leo. We are so proud of you.
Remember, class, hard work always pays off in the end.
I cannot wait to show this to my dad.
Hi, Leo. How was your day at school today, buddy?
It was the best day ever, Dad.
Look at this. Is that your math test? Let me see it, please.
Yes, it is. I got a perfect A on it.
Wow, an A in math? That is absolutely fantastic, Leo.
I studied so hard, Dad. I really did my best.
I know you did, buddy. Get in the car now.
Are we going straight home? I want to tell Mom.
We will go home soon. Just buckle your seatbelt first.
Okay, Dad. I am buckled up and ready to go.
Hi, Mom. Just calling to say I'm on my way. I'll be there soon, okay? Love you.
Tell her I have a huge surprise for her.
Okay, I will. Hello, Mom?
Hi, Mom.
Yes, I just picked up Leo from school.
Hi, honey. How is Leo doing today? Is he happy?
You did it, buddy! An A in math? I'm so proud of you. That's amazing.
That is wonderful news. We must celebrate this big achievement.
Yes. Let's throw a surprise party for him at home. I will take him to the park to buy time.
Perfect. See you both in about an hour from now.
Hey, Leo. Do you want to visit the park first?
Yes, Dad, yes. Really? We can go to the park right now, Dad?
Yes, we can. Let's go play on the swings together.
This day keeps getting better and better for me.
Lily, come here quickly. We have a lot of work.
What is going on, Mom? Why are we rushing around?
Leo got an A in math, so we're throwing a big party.
A party? Really? A party for Leo? That is so exciting! Let's decorate.
Can you help me blow up these colorful balloons, Lily?
Yes, please, Mom. Let's make them really big. Of course, Mom. I will make them really big.
I will hang this congratulations banner on the living room wall.
That looks beautiful, Mom. Leo is gonna love it.
Yes, he is. We also need to bring out the big chocolate cake.
Yummy! Chocolate cake is Leo's absolute favorite dessert in the world.
Push off the ground with your feet, Leo. Go higher.
Look at me, Dad. I am flying like a bird in the sky.
You are doing great, buddy. Are you having fun on the swings?
Yes, Dad, this is so much fun.
Keep swinging, buddy. You're a pro.
Yes, I love the swings. Can we stay here a little longer?
We can stay for 10 more minutes. Then we need to go home.
Okay, Dad. I really want to tell Mom about my math test.
She will be so proud of you, Leo. I can promise you that.
I will show her the big red A on my paper.
Let's go to the car now. It is time to leave the park.
Okay, Dad. Come on, hurry up.
I'm coming, buddy.
All right, Dad. I am ready to go home and eat some food.
All right, son. I think we can manage that.
Did you have fun at the park today, my clever buddy?
Yes. But I am really hungry right now, Dad. My tummy is rumbling.
Mom is making something very special for you at home right now.
Is it spaghetti? I really love Mom's delicious tomato spaghetti.
You will have to wait and see, my very smart boy.
Look, Dad. We are finally driving on our own street.
Yes, we are almost home. Get your school backpack ready, please.
I got an A+. I told you I could do it.
Perfect. Now, get out of the car and walk to the front door.
Why is it so dark inside the house today, Dad?
Just turn the handle, open the door, and look inside, Leo.
Okay, Dad. I am opening the front door right now.
Surprise! Congratulations on your perfect math test, my dear Leo.
Surprise! We love you so much. You are the best brother ever.
Wow. The lights are suddenly on. There are beautiful balloons everywhere. This is a very special surprise party just for you, sweetie.
Thank you, Mom. Mom. Thank you, Lily. This is absolutely amazing.
You're welcome, sweetie. We're so proud of you.
Look at this big chocolate cake on the dining table, Leo. Whoa, that's amazing, Lily.
Come here right now, Leo. Give me a big, warm hug.
I love you, Mom. Look at my beautiful red A.
I am so proud of your hard work and dedication, Leo.
You studied every single night and never gave up on difficult math.
Can we eat the chocolate cake right now, please? I am hungry. The sound of soft fabric being pulled is audible. Yes, we certainly can. Let's cut the sweet cake together, everyone.
This chocolate cake is so delicious. Thank you for the wonderful party.
Wait a minute, Leo. I have one more special gift for you.
Another surprise for me? What is inside this big red box? Open it quickly, Leo. I really want to see it too. Wow. It is the fast blue remote control car I always wanted.
You truly earned it, Leo. Hard work always brings sweet success.
This is definitely the best day of my entire life.
Let's put some new batteries inside the car right now.
Yeah. Look at it go across the floor. It is driving so fast. Can I play with the blue toy car too, please? Leo? Sure, here you go. Of course, Lily. We can share it and play happily together.
Stand closely together, kids. I want to take a nice family picture.
Hold up your perfect math test, Leo. Say cheese, everyone.
Cheese! We are the happiest family in the whole world. Getting an A takes a lot of practice, but it is worth it.
Always remember, hard work brings success, and family makes every success much more special.